Hi, in front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then press or rather tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called About, tap on it, and here scroll down and you should find the serial number right here. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to just go back. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.